Apple cheesecake with berries. 3-minute how-to. You're 3 minutes from knowing how to bake an apple cheesecake with a bright berry finish. Let's hook you up with a foolproof plan. No water bath stress. Here's what I use. Nine-inch springform pan, parchment, foil, crust, 2 cups graham crumbs, 6 tablespoons melted butter, 1 to 4 cups sugar, pinch of salt, cheesecake, 24 ounces cream cheese, room temp, 3.4 cups sugar, 1.2 cups sour cream, 3 eggs, room temp, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, apples, 2 firm apples, peeled and diced, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of nutmeg, a squeeze of lemon, berry topping, 1 cups mixed berries, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, plus 1 tablespoon water. Heat the oven to 325 degrees or 163 degrees. Wrap the outside with foil, line the bottom with parchment. Stir crumbs, sugar, salt, and butter until it feels like damp sand. Press into the pan and up the sides a bit. Bake 10 minutes, then cool. Meanwhile, soften the apples. Melt butter in a skillet. Add apples, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a squeeze of lemon. Cook 4 to 5 minutes until glossy but not mushy. Cool to room temp. For the batter, beat cream cheese until smooth. Scrape the bowl a lot. Add sugar and beat until fluffy. Mix in sour cream, vanilla, lemon juice, and zest. Add eggs one at a time on low, just until combined. No overmixing. Scatter half the cooled apples over the crust. Pour in the batter. Spoon the rest on top and gently swirl for ribbons of apple cinnamon. Pro tip: set a pan of hot water on the lower rack to steam the oven. Bake the cheesecake 55-65 minutes. Edges should be set, center should jiggle like jello. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let it rest 1 hour. Then chill uncovered until cool, cover, and refrigerate at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. While it chills, make the berry topping. Simmer berries, sugar, and lemon 3 to 4 minutes until juicy. Stir in cornstarch slurry. Cook 30-60 seconds until glossy. Cool completely. Serve time. Run a warm knife around the edge, release the springform, and lift. Spoon on the berry topping. Let it drip down the sides, and slice with a hot, wiped knife. Taste check. Buttery crust, creamy lemon-kissed cheesecake, warm cinnamon apples, bright berries. That's layers of fall and summer in one bite. If you bake this, drop your tweaks in the comments. What apples? What berries? Save this for the weekend, and happy baking!